For us to be here, we are solely in support of the student nurses and the fellow lecturers who are fellow colleagues who are facing a problem the problem that is definitely can be a total closure of a nursing education institution, which is the nursing college, and that is the only nursing college within the province. And then when we are facing that problem, clearly there won't be any production of any healthcare workers within the province.
Just tell us about those problems, those challenges that you are facing.
All right, challenge number one is that there are no study material, there are no resources, and remember, nursing when you're studying, you are not studying theory only sitting in a class. You move to clinical areas, which we call the hospitals and clinics, and then they have to be there, they have to have their resources, they have to have a transport that is reliable and convenient. But at this juncture, the problem is that the nurses are facing, and the student nurses are facing, and the lecturers are facing, is that transport at times is not available. And then what the students are not even getting is what we call the stipend. The stipend that's supposed to be getting them to those clinical areas. The stipend that have to ensure that they get proper meals, they get like the better living conditions as healthcare workers.
Okay. We understand that your problems have been ongoing. Did you manage to speak with the department to sort of resolve these matters?
All right. Historically, the department knows about this. As you know that our department, they always drag feet. They always want this type of demonstration so then they can lend an ear to people who are complaining. So the main reason today is to say history has to be made one way or the other. Hence, we are here today at the MEC's office to can ensure that we've been talking, we've been crying, we've been writing emails, we've been communicating, speaking big English. But unfortunately, the South African language that is understandable by the authorities, it is this one that is happening today.
That is the union member here who's been telling us about their challenges. I'm going to be speaking to one of the student nurses here just to tell us about the conditions. Ma'am, thanks for your time. Just tell us about your studying conditions here.
Okay. Afternoon, everyone. I'm a fourth-year student nurse, and I'm also the Vice Secretary of the SRC. And it's an honor, actually, to be speaking about these things and getting, actually, the exposure that we've been wanted for very long. Our living conditions is unacceptable. Since first year, we've been struggling to get books. They expect us to pass without books. At our residences, the ceilings are falling. When the water is down, we don't have water. The electricity is going down, but they expect us to study. The food we're getting low-class food. We are teaching the community about a healthy diet, but we, as the students, we are not even getting a healthy diet.
I heard one of the members here talking about incidents of sexual harassment. Can you confirm that?
Yes, we had this incident of sexual harassment. It's one of the drivers at the college. He's been suspended, but he's still there. So yeah, he's still roaming around at the college. So nothing has been done actually about him.
So today you didn't go to classes, and
no.
Then what's going to happen now if you are not answered or if you don't receive a response from the department?
We're not going anywhere. We are sleeping here because it's the only language that the Department of Health understands. We've been taking our grievances to Department of Health. We've been writing letters. They have this thing that they say follow the channels. We've been doing that. I've been here since 2018. I was supposed to finish in July this year. I was supposed to start my ComServe. I'm still fighting for books.
Okay. That is one of the student nurses here talking to us about their challenges. We are told that we are expecting the departments to receive their memorandum. We'll see whether they are going to be here to welcome the memorandum from the union and also the students.